Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in. If you want to see how I make shipping stickers with my thermal printer, stay tuned. So here I am in Canva where I'm going to design my Scan Me QR sticker. I'm going to hit create design and go down to custom size. I'm going to size my sticker at 2.25 by 1.25 in inches. Then I'm going to hit create new design. So first I'm going to make my QR code. I'm going to click on the QR code icon and it's asking me to select my URL. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my website. And now I'm just going to copy the link. And now that I'm back in Canva, I'm going to paste the link in the URL box. And I'm going to hit create QR code. And it automatically will create you a QR code. So here I'm just sizing it to the size that I want. And now I'm going to go over and select my logo. Okay, now that that's sized, I'm going to go over and select the text and add a heading so I can type in my word Scan Me. Okay, now that I have it sized, I'm going to go ahead and find the font that I want to use. And I'm going with the Bangers. I'm going to size it up a little bit. So in this clip, I'm just playing around with the sizing and the positioning until I get it to where I want it. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and hit share so I can download it to my computer. So now I'm going to select the file that I just downloaded and I'm going to print it, which I'm going to hit Command and P. And I'm going to select the printer that I'm going to use, which is my thermal printer. And I'm going to make 5 copies. And it's already selected the size that I'm using, but I'm using the 2.25 by the 1.25. And I'm going to go ahead and print it. Okay, I have this thermal printer. It's by MUNBYN. And I'm just going to turn it on. It's going to blink red when it's not ready for use. So we're going to just load it with the white paper. Then you're going to pinch the 2 sides. I'm going to make sure it's straight. So I'm going to pull this. You got to make sure it's over the little indicator line or it won't read and it won't print. So once it turns green, it lets you know that it's ready to use. So now I'm just gonna go over to my laptop and print it out. So I'm gonna print about 5 of them. So I got 5 ready to print, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit print. So that's how they look. That's how they look when they come out. So now I'm just gonna take my phone and scan it just to make sure that it scans. Yep. So there you have it. So now I'm going to give you some ideas of where you can put these. These are a few other designs that I printed out. And also keep in mind that the thermal printer only prints out black ink. So guys, these are a few examples of where you can put your QR code stickers. You can put them outside your packages. This is a coffee mug that I have to ship off. So they see that and don't have time to type in your website, they could just scan it and pick your website right up. Or maybe you want your customers to follow you on Instagram or TikTok or something. So when they open the package, they can automatically scan it. You can have your social media URLs attached to your QR codes. You can also stick them like on the little boards in the grocery store. Anywhere where you can just stick it and someone could just walk up and scan it. You know, so if you have a thermal printer, these are very good. You could make fragile stickers. You could make all sorts of things. So if you have a thermal printer, this is a good idea to get your business or your social media out there. But if you don't have a thermal printer, I will be offering these on my website starting next week. So if you want to purchase or if you want to go ahead and make your own, it's all up to you. We all in this together. We trying to build and be successful in 2023. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.